Looking for the perfect sound bar to elevate your home entertainment in 2025? Whether you're after cinematic Dolby Atmos, deep bass, or smart features, we've rounded up the top 5 best sound bars of 2025 that deliver premium audio performance across every budget. From sleek one-box setups to powerful surround systems, these picks are the ultimate game changers for your TV audio experience. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Hisense AX3125H, a powerful yet budget-friendly 3.1.2 channel sound bar that punches well above its price tag. Delivering 440 watts of total output, it packs a serious punch with immersive Dolby Atmos and DTS::X support, making your movies and games feel more alive than ever. The included wireless subwoofer brings deep, rich bass, while the up-firing speakers add vertical sound for true surround immersion. With Bluetooth 5.3, Easy Play for simplified control, and Roku TV-ready integration, it blends perfectly with modern setups. Connectivity is solid, offering HDMI ARC, optical, USB, AUX, and even 4K HDMI pass-through, so you won't need to compromise on video quality. With 7 EQ modes, you can easily tailor the audio to fit any content, from movies and music to gaming. For under $300, the Hisense AX3125H delivers cinematic sound without the premium price, an unbeatable value for everyday users. And real price is $249. At number 4, we have the Bose Smart Ultra Sound Bar, a sleek and sophisticated audio solution designed to deliver immersive, room-filling sound. With support for Dolby Atmos, this soundbar brings cinematic surround sound to your living room, placing you right at the heart of the action with pinpoint accuracy and powerful detail. Bose's signature TrueSpace technology and AI dialogue mode work together to elevate vocals and balance every sound element, ensuring you never miss a line of dialogue or a dramatic audio cue. Whether you're watching a blockbuster or streaming your favorite show, the experience is crystal clear and lifelike. This soundbar also features built-in Alexa and Google Assistant, offering convenient voice control and seamless integration with your smart home ecosystem. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2, and Chromecast built-in, wireless streaming is effortless. Finished in premium black, the Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar combines elegance with elite performance, ideal for users who want a minimalist design with maximum sound impact. And the price is $749. Taking the third spot is the Samsung Q990D, a powerhouse 1.1.4 channel soundbar system that sets the gold standard for immersive home audio. This setup delivers true Dolby Atmos wirelessly, thanks to its included rear speakers and subwoofer, creating a surround sound experience that's incredibly dynamic and lifelike. The Q990D features Q Symphony, which perfectly syncs the sound bar with compatible Samsung TVs for richer, layered audio. SpaceFit Sound Pro automatically analyzes your room and optimizes audio output, while Adaptive Sound enhances dialogue and action scenes in real time. Gamers will appreciate Game Mode Pro, which provides low latency and directional audio cues for an edge in competitive play. Plus, with Alexa built-in, voice control is just a command away. Whether it's for movies, gaming, or music, the Samsung Q990D delivers theater-level sound at home. It's a premium choice for users who want maximum performance with cutting-edge technology. And the price is $979. At number 2, we have the JBL Bar 1300X, an innovative 11.1.4 channel sound bar that redefines versatility and power. What makes this system stand out is its detachable wireless surround speakers. Just pop them off and place them around your room for instant, true surround sound with zero wires. Powered by Dolby Atmos, DTS::X, and JBL's proprietary multi-beam technology, the Bar 1300X delivers incredibly immersive, three-dimensional audio that fills every corner of your space. Whether it's explosions in an action flick or subtle soundscapes in a drama, you'll hear it all with stunning clarity. The included subwoofer brings deep, thunderous bass that you can feel, while built-in Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, Alexa multi-room music, and Chromecast offers seamless streaming and smart control. With its modular design, cinematic sound, and modern smart features, the JBL Bar 1300X is perfect for home theater lovers who want flexibility without sacrificing audio quality. And the price is $1,129. Topping our 2025 list is the Sonos Arc Ultra, a sleek powerhouse delivering 9.1.4-channel Dolby Atmos performance, all without needing extra speakers. Its revamped acoustic design packs 14 drivers, fueled by Sound Motion Tech and 15 dedicated amplifiers, producing immersive, room-filling clarity and deeper bass in a compact unit. The Arc Ultra excels at dialogue, thanks to TruePlay room calibration and a refined speech enhancement feature that brings clarity to every line. Reviewers note a clean, precise, spacious soundstage and twice the bass of its predecessor. It supports HDMI eARC, Bluetooth 5.3, AirPlay 2, and built-in voice control. Via Sonos Voice or Alexa, the slim profile ensures it won't overshadow your TV, while its app-driven setup allows seamless integration with other Sonos gear, including Era 300 rear speakers and Sub-4. For audiophiles seeking elite Atmos immersion in a minimalist form, the Arc Ultra delivers unmatched performance and versatility. And the price is $899. Thanks for watching. These top 5 sound bars of 2025 bring incredible sound, smart features, and cinematic experiences to any setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Got a favorite? Let us know in the comments below.